children. Today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject lesson 3 air, a new topic, effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects all living organisms including man. It causes serious health problems to human beings. And affects both plants and animals. It brings about a lot of changes in the climate and environment also. In this video, you will learn about effects of air pollution. These are the topics about diseases and the global warming.
Effects of air pollution on human health. Air pollution hurts the planet with increasingly deadly effects on all life. Diseases. Air pollutants irritate the eyes and cause inflammations of the respiratory tract. If the person already suffers from respiratory illness, air pollution may lead to the condition becoming chronic at later stage. It can also lead to skin allergies. Air pollution causes several respiratory and heart problems. Many people have died due to the air pollution. Air pollutants cause pneumonia and asthma in children. Next, global warming. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of Earth's near surface air and ozones. Evidence for warming of the climate system includes observed increases in global average air and ozone temperatures, widespread melting of snow and ice, and rising global average sea level. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 19. Due to human activities, primarily fossil fuel burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. Air pollutants results in the accumulation of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When gases like carbon dioxide are present in the atmosphere in large amount, they increase the atmospheric temperature. With increased temperatures, melting of ice and icebergs in polar regions and increase in the sea levels are taking place. Global warming is a gradual increase in the Earth's temperature, generally due to the greenhouse effect caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide, CFCs, and other pollutants. Next one, acid rain. Acid rain is formed by pollution in the air. Cars, power stations, and factories release waste gases. The waste gases mix with the water in the air so that the rain is polluted. The water falls to the ground, which harms trees, plants, and pollutes rivers, which makes them unable for animals to live in their natural habitat. Two elements, sulfur and nitrogen, which react with the water molecules are primarily responsible for the harmful effects of acid rain. Sulfur is found as a trace element in coal and oil when they are burned in power plants and industrial boilers. The amount of sulfur dioxide released into the air has been falling since 1970, but the amount of nitrogen has been increasing because the number of vehicles on the road is increasing. People, forests, soil, lakes and rivers and the animals are affected by acid rain. When the acid rain falls on the forest, the trees die, including the different animal species living there. When fossil fuels like coal, natural gas and oil are burned in industrial processes, automobiles and power plants, they release two pollutants into the atmosphere, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Affects human health. Respiratory problems, asthma, dry coughs, headaches and throat irritations. Leaching of toxins from the soil by acid rain can be absorbed by plants and animals. When consumed, these toxins affect humans severely. Brain damage, kidney problems and Alzheimer's disease has been linked to people eating toxic animals and plants. Hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.